In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve common battery issues or problems you're having on your Toshiba laptop or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So batteries do degrade over time, and if you use a laptop long enough, you will need to replace a battery. It just in a way that batteries work. But if you're looking to extend your battery life a little longer, you can open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best results, you come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, select where it says additional troubleshooters. And then scrolling down underneath find and fix other problems, you want to select the power option. Find and fix problems of your computer's power settings to conserve power and extend battery life. And then run the troubleshooter for that. And if it makes any suggestions, it should automatically apply them. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.